Briggs? You guys want to come in? Yeah, let's go inside.
We got a huge dump of snow last night. I know I kind of said I wanted to get the Everest out for one more ride, but kind of not like this. The problem is that tomorrow is our large item pickup day around here for waste collection. And I've got that dishwasher and an old barbecue to move. And particularly the barbecue's in the back. I think the easiest way, honestly, is to fire up the sled and hook up the sleigh that my grandpa built in 1969 and go get that barbecue and move it, and then the dishwasher. So here we go. She fires up. Fuel. My grandpa, what a guy. As crazy as it might sound, the Everest has broken down. I don't know what business a 45-year-old sled has breaking down, but the governor bolt is working itself loose, and the way it's my fault, the way I routed the reserve fuel line is right on the rope and it's worn through. That's not why it's not running, but anyway, I think we're gonna go to plan B. It died a quick death.